I'm gonna show you how to check your iPad's battery health. As you probably know, if we go to settings and then we scroll down to battery, there's no way we can check the battery health. Unlike on your iPhone, when you can go to the same settings, scroll down to battery as well, and then you have here battery health. So it's just a matter of tapping here, and then you can easily check like under maximum capacity. You can see here the percentage, so you can easily see your battery health. On the iPad, you just can't. Or can you? Well, I'm gonna show you right now. Well guys, we will need a computer for this, as you can see, but don't worry, because you can use a Mac like I'm using, or you can use a Windows PC. So no matter what computer you have, I got you covered. This will work for everyone, all right? And we will need a computer because we're gonna need to install a software to do this, to check our battery health. And the software is called iMazing. I'm gonna have this link in the description down below, so you just click and you're gonna go straight to this page. And another awesome thing is that iMazing is free. So as you guys can see here, free download. So it's free to download and free to use. As you can see, there is a paid version, so buy now. But for this feature, for checking the battery health, you can do it for free. So you can do this without having to pay. If you want to unlock extra features, you can buy if you want to. But again, for this feature, this is free, all right? So free download, and then it's gonna automatically download. And it's downloading right here. And let me just go back to that very first page just to show you again Mac and PC, all right? And it also works with iOS 14, so everything is updated and it works for everyone, all right? Now, I'm just gonna install it as I would install any software. If you have a Mac, follow your process. If you have a Windows, follow your process. Just normally install the application, and let's be back. Okay guys, so I have just finished installing iMazing, and that's the first screen. You're gonna have this pop-up window saying welcome to iMazing, and all you gotta do is just tap here on continue trial. So tap here is very hidden right here, so click on continue trial and then you're good. So it's saying please connect an Apple device. So all you gotta do is grab your iPad. Okay, so grab your iPad, connect one end of the USB cable, lightning to USB cable, to the computer. Okay, so connect it to the computer, and the other end, the lightning end, you're gonna connect to your iPad. Or of course, depending on your iPad model, if it's an iPad Pro, it's gonna be USB-C on the other end, right? Okay, so here we have it. Of course, if the iPad is locked, it won't work, so you're gonna need to unlock the iPad. So just unlock it, and as you guys can see, it's gonna ask to trust the computer. You're gonna also need to trust. So again, put in your passcode and hit OK, and then we're done. So we can leave the iPad right here behind it, so you can see I'm not doing anything with it. And as you can see, automatically iMazing is recognizing, connecting, and doing its thing. And the first thing it's gonna ask is to back up. We don't need that, we don't want to back up, so we can say later right here, later. So tap on later, and that's our dashboard, like our first screen. And that's where the magic happens, because right here on the little battery icon, as you guys can see, we can tap on it, and just like that, we can check the battery health. So here is my current charge, so 8%. The battery is almost dying, but that's just the charge. The actual battery health is right here at 97%. And as you can see, iMazing is saying your battery health is good. So that's pretty much it, guys. Of course, you can check a ton of stuff here related to your battery, like your cycles and many other things. But the whole point of this video is just showing you the battery health, and that's how you can see it the easiest way, and obviously it's free. So how cool is that? Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to hit the like button down below. Also, the subscribe button and the little bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. And please don't forget to comment. It's always very important to me when you comment, when you leave your feedback. I really always do appreciate it. All right, so that's pretty much it.